Hi there, folks. It's Elaine here with WTI. If you want the happiest kids on the block, you need to try the solid pine wood twin bunk bed. We love the built-in stepladder. It saves so much space in our little room. And our little one loves climbing up. It's her favorite thing to do now. It's so spacious that we can fit our 10-inch mattress in it, and the little one can stand up on the bed inside. The guardrails are my favorite feature. It is the whole length of the bed, and it's reinforced across with a piece of wood. I appreciate that each slat is screwed in, and this bed is so strong and sturdy as the kids are growing older. The directions are so understandable. It only took me 7 minutes to put the headboard together. We are over the moon about this twin bunk bed. From the tree furniture will be in our family for many years as the kids grow. We are just so excited. And that's just our point of view.